So for my next song, I'm going to be singing an original. It's about, you know, when you can't let go of something and it really hurts. So I hope you guys enjoy.
My favorite song by him. I think I've listened to it about 1,000 times in like the last 2 weeks.
I know you like it.
It's midnight, we're home alone. That's trouble, trouble. We've got time, and no one knows. We'll take it slow. Your blurry lines in no control. Close the shutters, shutters. Cut the lights, close the door. It's not one of it. It feels like nothing even matters when I'm with you. It feels like this could last forever. You just make a move. You just gotta open up to me. You just gotta open up to me. I know that you like it when you say you're trying. You just gotta open up to me. Let's run away, I'll take the blame. You could say it's my fault, say the same. Should be told, I'm in mistakes. I bet your bombs all around what it takes. I keep you safe, I keep you close. Just tell me why I'm stuck here in the friend zone. And now it's time, I set the mood. I did my very best, and once to you, it feels like nothing even matters when I'm with you. It feels like this could last forever. You just make a move. You just gotta open up to me. You just gotta open up to me. I know that you like it when you say you're trying. You just gotta open up to me. Oh, I know I can help you out. I know what this is all about. You just need to look me in the eyes. Tell me everything's gonna be alright. Just just gotta open up to me. I know that you like it when you say you're trying. You just gotta open up to me. Open up to me. You just gotta open up to me. I know that you like it when you say you're trying. You just gotta open up to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thank you, everybody. So my second last song, I'm going to be singing a song by Caleb Scott called Dancing on My Own. I hope you guys enjoy. Somebody said you got a new friend. Does she love you better than I can? There's a big black sky over my town, and I know where you're at, but she's around. And yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. just wanna dance all night. I'm so messed up, I'm all out of line. Stilettos and broken bottles, I'm spinning around in circles, and I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh, and I'm right over here, why can't you see me? Oh, and I'm giving it my all, I'm not the guy it's taking on. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. So I know things in this song are a bit sad, but there's always a bright side to everything. So yeah, just keep uplifted. If anyone's going through anything, just, yeah. So far away, but still so near. The lights come on, the music dies, but you don't see me standing here. I just came to say goodbye. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh, and I'm giving it my all, I'm not the guy it's taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. Said I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh, and I'm right over here, why can't you see me? Oh no, and I'm giving it my all, I'm not the guy it's taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. So far away, but still so near. The lights come on, the music dies, but you don't see me standing here. I just came to say goodbye. Thank you. So for my last song, I'm going to be singing Cheyenne by Jason Derulo. I hope you enjoy.